gaganda ng mga plants mo, pero parang ang gulo pa rin tingnan. Minsan, wala yan sa plants, kundi nasa paso. Please watch till the end at sabay tayong matuto ng plant hacks at care tips. Speaking of paso, baka naman it's time for you to upgrade to yayamanin pot. Malinis, classy, at saka budget-friendly. It's like 3 to 4 times cheaper than fiber pot. Pero yung aesthetic, same-same lang. Perfect siya for our philodendrons, aglaonemas, monstera, big or small plants man yan. Common or rare, mas maganda talaga pag malinis yung pot. And you might have noticed na may mga small holes yung pots. Nilalagyan ko talaga siya ng sadya para maganda yung airflow sa loob. Kasi ideally, maganda talaga clay pots. But since hindi siya available dito sa amin, I opted for white classy pots instead. At nilalagyan ko na lang ng small holes. So, usapang durability naman, I've had these pots since 2022. Ayan, nakikita niyo dyan, brush lang talaga kailangan at balik siya sa dating kinang at ganda. So, yun, hindi lang siya pang aesthetic, pang matagalang gamit din. You can get it from the link sa baba or sa comment section. Happy planting!